Hi, I'm Megan, founder of Meaningfull Foods. For the last 3 years, we set out to create something amazing. We started with the idea of providing delicious, nutritious foods directly to your door. Along the way, we have learned so much more. We have given you time back to spend with friends, family, and just do the things that you love. What we heard from you is that we not only provide amazing meals that are good for you, but we also give you time back in your life to live more meaningful. After a lot of thought and a lot of brainstorming, we decided to change the brand completely. A new logo, a new slogan, eat with intention, live with meaning, and a brand new name, Meaningfull Foods. You will still have the great customer service just like always, the same ordering system so you can select your meals, just a brand new website, meaningfullfoods.com. We love the kitchen, it's my baby, but we wanted to give you, our customers, a better brand. Over the years, we've added our vegan line, our Whole30 Paleo line, and now we have added our brand new keto line. Meaningfull means so much to us. We've been working really hard over the last year, and we thank our friends, our family, our amazing customers who have helped us along the way. We know you are going to love it. So we're beginning this new brand with a new challenge. We challenge you Portland, Lake Oswego, Tualatin, Tigard, Beaverton, Hillsboro, everywhere we deliver, to order our food for 2 weeks and see how much more meaning you get back in your life. No more shopping, cooking and cleaning, just healthy, delicious food that makes you feel good and allows you to do the things you love. Within just 2 weeks of eating our food, you are going to feel better, have more energy, sleep better, have more quality time with your family and friends. We know you're going to love it. We want Meaningfull to be a central part of your journey to living a more meaningful life with intention.